Hello everyone, you are on the channel Eric the Hiking. This is my 28th hike. This time we have come to the town called Hunstanton. Hunstanton is located in Norfolk, England. This town is famous for its unique striped cliffs. It's the perfect place for a hike along the Norfolk coast. I advise to start the hike right from the car parking by driving lower down. The first thing what surprised me that Russian language is available in the parking machines, which in my opinion is very unusual for England. Parking for the whole day cost me £10.80. The hike begins with spacious views at Old Hunstanton Beach. I walked along the beach and enjoyed the sea. The beach is relatively clean, unspoiled by crowds of tourists and drunken youths. The air itself is also very clean. There is no smell of mud after low tide. Unique shells can be found on the shore. Will I be able to walk here? I can. My boots aren't the best for hiking. I can handle it. But here my foot starts to sink. You have to be careful, as it's easy to get surrounded by the water. So I decided not to take any chances and returned to the hiking route. My drone was almost hit by a flock of birds. Oyster catcher. Definition on Google. From the top, you can see that you can take a different path without deviating. The approaches to the beaches here are of course steep. Danger. Keep off rocks. Lovely morning.
You're absolutely beautiful.
I've done the drone flight all across.
Have you?
Yeah, it's very nice.
It is. I mean, where else do you want to be?
It's lovely.
Portugal or somewhere like that.
No, this is fine. Yeah.
Good answer. No, and it's Haley is nice and St. Ives as well, but considering this area, this is probably one of the best as well.
I'm going to think so. We think it's the best beach, and it's our beach. No, it's a good beach.
I like to meet positive people along the way. It must be cool to rent one of these huts, which is a beautiful view on the beach. By the way, there is a golf club nearby. We continue our journey. I have found an unusual stone. It's shaped like a heart. It could be a good souvenir gift. It seems to fit. Hey crab, how are you? This is the first time I've met a crab in person while hiking. Limonium vulgar. Sea lavender. Holme Beach. Let's read. Respect the environment and other beach users. Keep the beach clean and take your litter home. The older you get, the more you appreciate these rules.
Morning.
Morning.
Thank you.
I'll take one shot if you don't mind.
Sorry?
I'll take a picture if you don't mind.
That's fine.
Thank you.
The Pedder's Way. I definitely need to walk the entire route. Incidentally, an Englishman came up to me and asked, "Have you ever walked Pedder's Way?" At first I didn't understand it, but then I googled it and realized it is the path in Norfolk. If you have watched this far, please give a like to this video. Thank you. My channel is stagnant and progress is very slow. This will motivate me to keep making videos and uploading to the channel. A stop for a snack. On the hot day, I took refuge in the shade of the pine trees at Holme Dunes, a Norfolk Wildlife Trust nature reserve. Unfortunately, when planning my route, I hadn't noticed a local cafe nearby, so theoretically, knowing the cafe opening hours, I could hike without any supplies. A chicken and bacon bun from the local grocery store came in handy. Walking along the paved wooded path is easy and comfortable. The walk on it is a pleasure. Broadwater, a great place for bird watching. Note the acorn-shaped trail sign. It's used on national trails in England and Wales. It's very helpful for those who are unsure about the route. Having reached the village of Thornham, I popped into a local pub. A short break before the return journey. That's all for the hike. Now about the overnight stay and what else there is to do here. We decided to stay in a family caravan. It's pretty good budget option. For 2 days, 2 people with a child, it cost us £164 and 60 pence. It was incredibly hot outside, almost impossible to stay in the caravan. We immediately opened all the windows. A short tour of the caravan. Everything you need is here. A microwave, a refrigerator. Everything is ready for use. Gas stove. Plates. glasses, mugs, frying pans, and so on. Hot water boiler, the pipes are accordingly grounded. The toilet is quite small, as I am tall. However, everything functions well, no problems. Please do not flush the following down this toilet. Rule B. Where are you going? There is not much space. The rooms are compact and the beds are small. It's fine for a night. Wardrobes, an iron, and an ironing board are also provided, basically like in any standard English hotel. Okay, moving on. The shower is clean and high. No complaints here. And of course, the bedroom. The mattress size is more or less okay. I wouldn't recommend a caravan without air conditioning on a hot day. In our case, we returned to the caravan late in the afternoon. And the living room, there is plenty of space, enough for everyone. The look of the caravan outside . The caravan park itself is quite convenient. It's easy to navigate. A map is provided. The caravan park is located relatively close to both the sea and all the attractions. From the above, it's clearly visible. It is truly large caravan park. Another important thing, there is Tesco store right across the road. You can get everything you need there. Hunstanton is also famous for its numerous amusement parks. In the evening, we decided to take a stroll, play various games, and try our luck. The bowling is available on the top floor. After that, we walk through the surrounding gardens and admire the magnificent sunset. We really enjoyed the sunset. We highly recommend it. Next day, on the way back, we stopped at Heacham South Beach. A nice and quiet beach. It's literally a 10-minute drive from Hunstanton. We loved it. It's a great place for a family holiday. We also managed to see a couple of owls which is unusual for the beach, but the owner explained that they were too hot at home, so he brought them here. For the lunch, we went to the Heacham Hold Cafe. Traditional English food, fish and chips. The fish, by the way, was very hot. Overall, the place is nice and the food is delicious. There is another interesting place nearby. Norfolk Lavender is very tempting. Probably because my favorite color is purple. This theme really resonated with me. I give this place a good rating. This place is ideal for photos. Besides the vegetable gardens, they have their own shop. You can buy various products here: chocolate, honey, and lots of interesting treats. You can visit their website to see what they sell. This is not an advertisement, just an option if you decide to stop by. This was our trip to Norfolk. Here is the map and the score of my hike. Thanks everyone for watching. Don't forget to like the video. There's still so much more to come. Feel free to suggest interesting places and popular hikes. Eric the Hiking was with you. Bye everyone.